All right, so I just have some banana slices in my greased bundt pan. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab 1 stick of melted butter and some light brown sugar, and we're gonna load up our butter with lots of brown sugar. We need a lot. I'm gonna add about 1.5 cups of brown sugar in there. Should be plenty. Go ahead and mix those up together so we can get like a thick paste, like goo. It's gonna be so yummy and so delicious. It's gonna go so perfectly with those bananas that we have. Ooh, you see how it's getting all gooey and delicious? Oh yeah, I love a good brown sugar butter mixture. I may have made a little bit too much, so if you guys were gonna try this recipe, I would do 1/2 stick of butter and only 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and that should be plenty because this is gonna go a long way. Okay, just make sure it's well combined. You can kind of see that butter still on the sides, and we do not want that. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good though. It's gonna be worth the extra patience. Beautiful. Okay, go ahead and grab our mixture, and we're gonna do a nice pour right on top of those bananas. What we're making today is gonna be so fun and so delicious. See, I used about 1/2 of that mixture. We didn't even need all of that. Go ahead and grab a little brush and kind of just brush that onto all of those bananas so they're all fully covered in that delicious brown sugar butter. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good, you guys. All right, now before we grab our main component, what goes great with bananas, my favorite nut, some walnuts. And these are some chopped walnuts that we're just gonna sprinkle lightly into our pan. Ooh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. It's one of my favorite desserts to make, especially in the fall time, because it is so yummy and delicious, and that brown sugar is just such a beautiful fall flavor, and bananas are good all year round. All right, so I used about 1/2 of this package, and this is a 1/2 cup, so I used about 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. Now for the best part, I just found these. They're new to the market. We have some banana bread. Yep, this is banana bread that's already made, and I went ahead and sliced this open. So let's see how this turns out. I've never tried it before, but we are making a upside down banana bundt pan, and I think it's gonna be so delicious. Woo. Okay, your hands might get a little sticky, but you know what? All good things are a little messy. Ooh, yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and take it out of the package, just like this. Woo. Beautiful. Once it's out of the package, it's easy though. You just grab it and place it right in there, just like this. And don't you worry, I have another banana bread right here that we're gonna open up and put on that other side super quick so we get a full bundt pan of banana bread. This is gonna be a thick boy, you guys, because this is some nice batter. This is meant for a whole loaf pan. I don't think I'm gonna use the whole thing. I think I'm gonna use about 3/4. Just rip it apart and place it right there. And there you go, the perfect amount. All right, now we do not need to pinch the edges or anything because that thing is gonna expand, and we're gonna get a beautiful upside down banana bread bundt pan. All right, my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna cook for about 45 minutes. We'll check on it. Oh my, this smells so good. I'm so excited. Okay, for the moment of truth, I'm so scared. Just kind of flip it over and then give it a wiggle. Woo. Woo! Oh my, okay. We lost a few bananas, but you know what? That never hurt anybody because the best part is the bread, right? All right, I need to try some right now. I'm gonna get a piece with all those bananas. Look at that side of the bananas right there. Oh my, this is gonna be so good. Okay. Oh, best banana bread ever. And we have those walnuts in there for a little crunch. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Oh my, the perfect banana bread. Look how gorgeous this cooked. I'm so excited to try it. Woo. Okay, it came out even better than I expected. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get a big old bite. When it's still warm, you guys. Okay, I actually need a bigger bite than that.